Danble was founded in 2012, and headquarter is in Kunshan, Jiangsu Province. Danble Instruments specializes in providing one-stop climate test solution for industries, including 3C electronics, new energy, automotives, third-party testing, and low-altitude economy. We have more than 110 employees, and the R&D takes up over 20%, including refrigeration desig, electrical engineering, mechanical design, simulation, and testing verification. The company covers a production area of 10,000 and production average capacity of 100 sets instruments every month. Our company has obtained certification of ISO 9001 and ISO 14000 and also CE UL certificate. The company always focus on the constant innovation and invention. In the past few years, we got more than 60 invention patents and also some innovative products for customer. Danble Climate Instrument is good quality manufacturer for chambers. High and low temperature test, constant temperature and humidity chambers, rapid temperature change chambers, walk-in test chambers, combined temperature humidity, and vibration chambers, thermal shock chambers, and vibration chambers, thermal shock chambers, low pressure test chambers. Danble Climate, as one of the top climatic test equipment suppliers, we widely provide various kind of chambers for automotives, electronics, aerospace, pharmaceutical, new energy and consumer goods, such as aerospace institutions, keep and industry leaders like China Fa Group, Cherry, Great Wall, BYD, Huawei, and Caterpillar Engineering Research Institute. Our global reach. We've established a nationwide sales network with branches in Shenzhen, Xi'an, Jinan, and Beijing, and an overseas division to serve international markets. Our service commitment: 3,000 plus hours of trouble, free operation and no frosting. 1. Our rapid response for pre-sales and after-sales support. Upholding commitments to delivery and excellent service. We safeguard not only product reliability, but also the confidence for Chinese intelligent equipment to go global.